Alright, today we finna clay bar the truck. It has a little overspray on it. As you can see, these little white speckles on it. And what you do, you use this clay bar here. You use this clay bar and it removes those little speckles that's on there. Matter of fact, what you do with your clay, you just wet it a little bit. Keep your bucket of water. And just start in the area. Clay it. I think it'd be a good thing too to have soapy water, but I just, for demonstration purpose, I'm going to show y'all this real quick. Show you how good that looks compared. And it may leave a little bit of swirl marks on it when you wax it, or if you're gonna polish it like I am, it'll take care of the swirl marks. Right now, what I'm doing is trying to remove the surface contamination that's on here. Alright, as you can see on my clay bar here, there's nothing on there, right? Looks clean. Now watch when I go against my panel. And I've already washed the truck. And like I said, when I get done with this, I'm gonna be polishing the whole truck. I'm gonna compound and polish the truck, so I'm not worried about swirl marks right now. I'm just trying to get the surface contamination off there. You see that? See all that dirt that's on there? If we can focus. Hold on. Let's get it to focus a little bit. Swing on it. Swing on it. Let's get it to focus. Come on, focus. As you can see that dirt that's on there. What I'm gonna do the whole truck just like this. And it's a good thing to use soapy water because it keeps your panel, a little bit, keeps it wetter longer if you use the soap. But once I get done with this panel, I'm gonna show you just how dirty this bar is again. Alright, as you can see, it took care of all those little white specks that was on there, like overspray and any trash that was on the surface. It pretty much takes it off. And like I said, what I'm gonna do once I'm done with this, I'm gonna buff and polish the whole panel. So that's pretty much how you get rid of surface contamination that's on your car, like rail dust, paint overspray, anything like that. You use this stuff right here, man. You use this product right here, Tech 511 corrected clay. It may not look just like this, but it's the same stuff. It's surface corrected. So you use this, man, and that'll get you where you need to be. All right, it's your boy Rollo Cups. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I want to thank y'all again for watching the channel, man. But like y'all said, y'all have any comment, anything you want to ask me, comment below, and I'll get back to you. It's your boy Rollo. I'm out.